Whoa, a PC, epic, dude, I'm gonna buy it. Hey, can you open up the glass thing? Sure. Thank you. That'll be $15. Oh, nice. Here you go. Thanks, welcome back.
I'll have you know I graduated top of my class of the Navy SEALs, and I have over 300 confirmed kills. I'm trained in guerrilla warfare and I'm the top sniper in the entire US Army.
So you're telling me that the SATA controller on the motherboard doesn't work, so I went to get a PCI SATA card and ports, and I got that, and I plugged it in, and I'm using that now. And it doesn't work. I'm gonna plug it in the motherboard just in case. Okay, I plugged it into there. It never worked before. Let's see if it works now. Oh yeah. There we go. SSD isn't being recognized at all because, you know, the completely messed up SATA ports on the motherboard, which is probably why it was... No. No. You guys don't know how much time I've actually spent on this. I spent so long. So I got it, and I was like, wow, let's get it all working. So what I did is I got a SSD. There was a casualty, completely fried. There was smoke everywhere. Footage on the screen now. And then after that, I gave up for a while. Got that, tried to focus on that, and then yeah, it's actually working now. And then after that, I got the SATA card because it was like, everything I try and connect to it doesn't work. I kind of want to know if Linux works now, but if it's working, I'm not messing around. That's just how it's gonna go, mate. Yep. Yeah! I tried so many times. Oh, it's probably the SATA connector. What? No, okay, just a minute or two, so I'll just cut it now. Left to do now. Can't even close it. The Internet Explorer is a virus, confirmed. Did I crash it? I crashed it. It didn't even download Monkey. I like how it actually has a problem trying to run. Oh, it went to pictures. Perfect.